How to track your Crumbl order in real time. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to track your Crumbl cookies order in real time using your desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once you're inside the web browser, simply click on the search bar and simply search for Crumbl cookies. And now here on the result page, simply click on the first link and once you do that, you'll be prompted to the official website of Crumbl. Now here, make sure that you are logged into your account and here once you're logged in, just hover over to your profile icon in the top right and after that simply select My Orders from the drop down menu. And here, once you do that, on the active order list, you will see the list of your recent orders. So just click on your most recent or active order to view its detail. And here, if tracking is available, you'll see a real-time status update like being prepared, out for delivery, or delivered. And here, if a third-party service like DoorDash is being used, you will also see a live tracking link to follow your delivery. And that's it. Now you know how you can easily keep an eye on your cookies from the oven to your doorstep. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.